Hi customers, welcome to us. So today I have decided to provide you with this product. It is the dashboard shine. Hii hutumika una spray kwa gari to make it smell fresh and also inafanyanga still ndio gari kuwe shiny. Although kuna hiyo spray ya kushinisha gari, but still this one can work both way to make your car smell good and to make your car shine inside. So we have a lot of flavors. Let me show you each and every flavor we have. Tuko na hiyo golden rose. We have that rose. We have that lavender. We have that vanilla. We have that Lisha beach. We have apple. We have lemon. We have jasmine. We have peppermint. We have lavender. We have that orange. And finally, we have that strawberry. Company is Power Eagle Dashboard Shine. So if interested in any flavor, you can call or chat or inbox. We do delivery. You can call this number 0790 377 482 or 07 460 383 70. Thank you.